Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's video topic, we're gonna see Samsung A05, which is not responding or not working at touch screens. So in this video we're gonna solve this problem. Currently after your phone updated to the latest version of its Android, this problem gonna happen. In some case, if you restart the phone or force a restart within a power button and the volume down the phone, sometime it work. Maybe after 1 hour or 30 minutes it's gonna stop again. So how we gonna solve permanently this kind of problem? Stay focused, don't go anywhere. Also, if you have any questions or anything on this topic, you can leave on the comment section below. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the comment section. Thank you so much for that. So currently so many phones have been facing this kind of a problem. This is also the second phone. One of the customer, when they bring the phone, they already hard reset or formatted the phone. You don't have to do that. It is current problem now. Each A05 phone have been facing after it have been updated to the latest version of its Android. So as you can see, there is two phone on my hand. Both have the same problem, the same issue. To solve this issue permanently, we have to replace the screen or the LED. We have to replace it to solve this current problem permanently. Okay, so let me restart and show you this problem. As you can see, even if it been restarted or even if it been formatted or hard reset, the phone is not working or the touch is not responding. The only current solution is to simply replace the screen. Okay, let me show you within replace the screen. It's this is the brand new screen. We're gonna check before connecting it. So as you can see, when you try, double check your screen, double check it. Okay, double check it. So guys, let's check the new screen. So as you can see, it is now currently responding or working perfectly. Okay, so we gonna replace this screen, then the case gonna be solved permanently. You can solve like this. Okay, simply just replace the screen. Don't lose your data by formatting or by factory resetting your smartphone without knowing these tips. Thank you so much for that.